Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm introducing you my new annotated workflow, which is a Project UAT feedback with a full help of AI for the triage and with a routing and closed loop. So if you followed my previous video, you can see that this workflow really looks like the one I presented you about the Project UAT triage. So on the logic, it's kind of the same. So you will receive some feedback from different sources, and then they will be analyzed and routed following different scenarios. But the difference is that we adapted the scenarios into the project field. So let's have a look at the workflow. So it starts as usual. So we have a trigger where we will receive the feedback, then the data will be normalized and cleaned, and then the AI agent will do its analysis, and then we'll have the triage and the quality control. And if we have a low confidence feedback, we will need a manual review. So this is the first stream. So this is the same as for the product feedback triage, but then what will change are the other streams. So if we have enough quality of feedback, then we'll have the route following the type of triage. So the first stream will be if we have a feedback which is a blocker. So we'll first create a blocker ticket into our Jira, and then we'll do one alert to raise a concern, and then after we'll also notify the person and thank the person for the feedback. Then the second stream will be if we need some task improvement. So for this we will first have a double check, and then if we already found some similar feedback, we'll update our Notion database, or if it's something which is new, we'll create a new Notion database, and then after we'll notify the sender. Then the third scenarios is for the resource request. So following this, the person will ask for more resource, then we will log it into our Google Sheet, so we can have all of the different resources needed following the feedback, so we can plan more resource if it's needed. Then after, of course, we will notify it. Then we'll have also the question. So this is for the Q&A. So when people are testing or are involved in the project and are not sure about what there is in the project, have some question, have some concerns, they can raise it. So everything is gathered. And then the last stream is about status update. So once we are moving forward with the UAT, we can have some status which need to be updated, and if some people have some concern or need to do it, so they will raise the request, and then we will do it following. For example, if they have an update about certain status, they just have to send a feedback, and then it will be automatically treated, and we will have a documentation, and we will receive an alert about this. So this workflow is really like a bundle of all of the different scenarios that are possible and happening during a Project UAT. So as you can see, we can adapt it to many situations, and of course it's something that is flexible. You can add more scenarios or less, and also adapt with other type of concerns, and also make it more longer. For example, if you want to have more documentation, etc. So let's say this is just like a basis, and following this and from this you can improve it and change it following what your organization need and what you need. So I hope this video has been useful to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put them in the comment. If you like the video, please don't hesitate to put a like. So I wish you a great day. Bye bye.